Hey guys, it's Mr. Nelson again. This time we're going to do our practice from our type 2 binary nomenclature from practice sheet number 1, problem number 3, and we'll show you how to go through it. Again, remember with type 2, as always, the metal is not a specific charge like there is with type 1. So again, we look at our monoatomic sheet here. And it says that if it's in the blue, it's type 2, and chromium is somewhere in here. Okay, so matter of fact, if we really want to take a look at it, we can pull this up. As chromium's right there. It's the fourth one over. So if I go back to that sheet, it's going to be right here. And so that means that it is a type 2. Okay, so let's go back to the problem. And then we have oxygen. Well, let's go back to that sheet again. Oxygen is over here. It is a -2. So we know what the non-metal is. We just don't know what the metal is. So let's go ahead and put the charge above the non-metal. That is a -2. Now, since these are 1 to 1, there's only one of each one. That means that chromium has to be a +2, which is hopefully a little bit obvious for you. Okay, now I could do this. -2 times 1 is a -2. This is a +2 divided by 1 is a +2. So again, when we go ahead and write this out, we have to write this charge right there for the chromium in Roman numerals after the chromium. So we're going to put in chromium. And M. And we're going to put that in parentheses. It is a Roman numeral 2. We're just going to do that. Then our space, and then we're going to put oxygen and change the ending to "ide," which makes it oxide. And there we are, chromium 2 oxide. That is the name of that. Now again, this 2 did not equal this, so I didn't do the shortcut. But because there was only one of each one, whatever the charge of the oxygen was, is the charge of the metal chromium. There we go. That's problem number 3.